So that's not all the court has had to say about parent-child associations. Going back a few years, we find another case where the court explained the importance of the intimacies of daily living, not just through formal teaching, but through examples that come up in the most boring and mundane activities of daily life. Child custody courts place no value on these mundane daily interactions, but the Supreme Court is a far bit wiser and smarter than those child custody courts. The Supreme Court explains this importance of daily intimacy in the education of children in these words. Thus, the importance of the familial relationship to the individuals involved and to the society stems from the emotional attachments that derive from the intimacy of daily association and from the role it plays in promoting a way of life through the instruction of children, as well as from the fact of blood relationship. By preventing the passing down of critical values through the example parents provide to children in the most mundane aspects of daily living, state custody judges are harming the child, the parent, and society. Or at least that's what the Supreme Court has to say about it, and what they believe is precisely the repeated patterns of parental behavior witnessed by children on a daily basis that makes the parental education stick and to have meaning in these children's lives. So as we see by these examples, these words of the United States Supreme Court, your possession time with your child is absolutely protected by the First Amendment. And it's protected by the First Amendment precisely because it is essential to passing down our most important values and traditions as a society through the generations. When your child custody judge limits your possession time with your child based on his or her personal viewpoint of your child's best interest, that judge violates the First Amendment based on viewpoint. And in so doing, the child custody judge injures both the child and our society as a whole. But wait, it gets even better. The next First Amendment truth bomb shows you how to prove that your child's right to receive the education that only you can provide is protected by the First Amendment. Education from you, not from someone else, not from the state, not from their school, not from the other parent. Education from you. Your child has a right to it. And when your custody judge violates your child's rights, they can't be acting in your child's best interest, can they?